Hello friends, today I have come with a few more biology MCQ for NEET UG purpose. चलो start करते हैं. First question is, resistance to malarial infection occurs in sickle cell trait, thalassemia, hereditary spherocytosis, or all the above. And answer to this question is sickle cell trait. In sickle cell trait, there is some immunity to malarial infection, particularly falciparum infection. Next question. All are true about sickle cell anemia except number 1, it is due to point mutation. Number 2, glutamic acid is replaced by valine in beta chain at position 6. Number C, beta chain is replaced by gamma chain. Number D, sickle cell trait patients are resistant to malarial infections. We have to find out which of these statements is incorrect. Let us consider all the options one by one. The first option is due to point mutation. This option is correct. Number 2, glutamic acid is replaced by valine in beta chain at position 6. This is also correct option. We know in sickle cell anemia there is replacement of glutamic acid by valine at position 6 of beta chain. And you know globin part of hemoglobin has 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains. Normally in beta chain there is glutamic acid at position 6, and in sickle cell anemia the glutamic acid at position 6 of beta chain is replaced by amino acid valine. So this is an example of point mutation. Number C option is beta chain is replaced by gamma chain. This is incorrect answer. This is the right option in this question. This occurs, that is beta chain replaced by gamma chain, it occurs in thalassemia, which is a type of frame shift mutation. Number D is sickle cell trait patients are resistant to malaria. This I have already told in previous question. This is the right answer. So the correct option in this question is C, that is beta chain is replaced by gamma chain. Sorry, the correct option is yes. The question has been asked except, so the correct answer is C. Next question is, DNA replication occurs in number 1 G1 phase, number 2 S phase, number 3 G2 phase, number 4 M phase. In cell cycle we have these 4 phases, and the correct sequence of these phases are G1, then S phase, then G2 phase, then M phase. So G1 is growth 1 phase, S is synthetic phase, G2 is growth 2 phase, and D is mitotic phase. And DNA replication, that is DNA synthesis, occurs in synthetic phase, that is S phase. Next question is, if frequency of dominant allele is 0.6, what will be the frequency of heterozygotes? The options are 0.24, 0.36, 0.60, 0.48, and the right answer is 0.48. Then how to calculate the frequency of various alleles and genes? We remember the formula P plus Q square is equal to P square plus 2PQ plus Q square is equal to 1. Here P and Q denotes dominant and recessive alleles. We know every gene has 2 alleles, one dominant and one recessive. Here the frequency of dominant allele is given, that is 0.6. Since P plus Q is equal to 1, so the frequency of recessive allele will be 1 minus 0.6, means 0.4. In this formula given below, P square means homozygous dominant individuals, Q square means homozygous recessive persons, and 2pq means heterozygotes. Here we have to calculate the frequency of heterozygotes. So we have to calculate 2pq means 2 multiplied by 0.6, that is P, multiplied by 0.4, that is Q. So the answer is 0.48. If we are asked the frequency of homozygous dominant, that is P square, the answer will be 0.6 multiplied by 0.6, that is 0.36. And if in the question frequency of homozygous recessive is asked, then the answer will be 0.4, that is Q, multiplied by 0.4, and answer will be 0.16. Next question is, distance between two genes in map unit is number 1 more than crossover, that is recombination frequency, less than crossover frequency, equal to crossover frequency, may be A or B, and the answer is C, that is equal to crossover frequencies. Now I explain this question. What is crossover frequency? We know crossing occurs during meiosis. So, and the distance between two genes can be calculated from the crossover frequencies. Farther the genes from each other, more will be the crossover frequencies. And this is expressed as map unit, and it is equal to the crossover frequency. The answer is C. Because for example, if the crossover frequency is 6, then the distance between the two genes will be 6 map unit. Next question is, genetically modified crop used for treatment of nyctalopia is golden rice, flavor saver tomato, papaya, or BT mango. Now you know what is nyctalopia. Nyctalopia is another name for night blindness, and the cause of nyctalopia is, that is night blind, is vitamin A deficiency. Among these options we have a transgenic crop, that is golden rice, which is rich in vitamin A. So golden rice can be used for treatment of nyctalopia. So the right answer is A, that is golden rice. My next question is, Down syndrome with extra chromosome at 21st pair is an example of option A trisomy, B triploidy, C aneuploidy, D both A and C. And the right answer is D, that is both A and C. Whenever there is an extra chromosome, 1 or 2 or more, at any pair, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes in human body. If there is an extra chromosome, either loss or gain, then this is termed as somy. So here is an extra chromosome at 21st, one extra chromosome at 21st pair in Down syndrome. This is an example of trisomy. This is not triploidy. Ploidy term is used when there is extra complete set of 23 chromosomes. Then it would have been triploidy. So this is an example of trisomy and not triploidy. Aneuploidy means again means extra chromosome gain or loss at any position, and this occurs due to non-disjunction during meiosis in the ovum. So this is a Down syndrome is an example of aneuploidy also. So the correct answer is A and C, that is Down syndrome is an example of trisomy as well as aneuploidy. आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू।